client is somebody that wants a little more attention, guidance, a relationship with a CPA firm and their CPA, as opposed to maybe thinking of it more transactionally. So our clients get a lot of benefit from our guidance and our highly supportive accounting and administrative solutions that we give them. And so that ranges from the small business owner, who's got quite a bit going on, who's outsourced their entire admin to us and comes to see us on a weekly basis, all the way to, somebody who might just have a small business and of 20,000 a year, let's say annually, and comes to see us at the end of the year to do their taxes. But the guidance they get when they come at year end, I think is really much more involved and stronger, than what other transactional type of places might be. Because we're always here, we're always helping small business owners and trying to make their world, work better, because we know how tough it is for them to be successful. So, and it's not just limited to small business owners. We help nonprofits and just families that might have a lot going on. Could be widows in distress, or families with people that have disabilities and special needs trust, or nonprofit organizations, or families with a lot of assets, a lot of investments that are hard to manage into a tax return. So yeah, any of those folks, but people who I think who really are looking for a little more guidance and support in a relationship with their CPA and their CPA firm are great clients for us. There are a lot of things that make our firm different, but I'd say one of the biggest is that we give a lot of operational guidance and support. So we know small business. We really understand it, and we don't just do people's taxes or just do their accounting. We also give them guidance on how they can make their businesses work better, from the operational third of the business to the administrative third, as well as the order acquisition third of the business. So it is really hard to make small businesses work here nowadays in the United States, and they really need all the guidance that they can get to be successful, and it can make a huge difference, that operational support that our firm gives our clients. So a lot of other firms, they just want to do your taxes or do your accounting, and they really kind of almost want a wall between your operations and their firm. So we love to get in there and really help the small business owner with their business and how to make it more successful. We've seen so much that we have a lot to offer. Order acquisition and order fulfillment is a fundamental concept, really, of how businesses work. And because if you don't understand that there are really two big processes that are going on in most businesses, then it's really hard to make your business work. And most small businesses, they can really only focus on one or the other primarily. So they're either mostly an order acquisition business. So let's take an investment advisor type business or a real estate agent type business. It's mostly about getting the work. They spend most of the time getting the work. It's order acquisition. If you take a CPA firm, it's mostly about getting the work done. Or maybe a dental practice, it's mostly about getting the work done. Now, a CPA firm or a dental practice still has to find a way to get work, but the primary focus is going to be on order acquisition. So, and you want to be mostly one or the other, because if you have to be 100% on both, it's going to be very difficult to be successful if you've got to hit both of those processes just as hard. So it's almost the kiss of death for the small business owner. So a fundamental concept of order acquisition and order fulfillment processes and how that relates to your specific small business is crucial to your success as a small business owner, and we can help with that.